Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader, and here we help you maximize using gig apps like Doordash, Uber Eats, Instacart, Grubhub, and also Walmart Spark. And today we got a very important message to bring to you. If you're a Walmart Spark driver out there, and you got people that you may possibly can refer, I got a very special promotion for you. Right here, we got the referring driver incentive in priority zones. So Walmart is really starting to take the lead in getting their own deliveries done, because since they ended their partnership with Doordash, they've really put their best foot forward, and now they are actively giving out promotions every day, every week, incentivizing drivers to get those Walmart Spark orders done. So with this incentive we got here, it's going to be running from November 18th to December 1st. So for a nice little time there. It says referring drivers, tap invite and earn on your app to send the referral link. You can see which zones currently offer referral incentives by visiting the Walmart Spark driver referrals page. So if you visit that page, you can see which zones are currently offering that priority incentive. So it also says here, once they complete 5 trips with the incentive in the incentive period indicated, both will receive $100 in each incentive. That's awesome. So not only will you receive $100 from referring someone, the reference will also receive an additional $100 once they complete those 5 trips. And if you ask me, I would recommend that you focus on trips that are one order trips with low distance. That way you can complete those trips as quickly as possible and max. Reading on, it says changing zones mid-incentive may disqualify you from that incentive. So you want to make sure that you completing those 5 trips within that zone that qualifies for that priority incentive, because they are really making sure they prioritize certain zones, and that's where they need these new drivers at, and that's what they wanting you to refer these new drivers to. So make sure that when you refer a new driver, they're completing 5 trips in that zone that they signed up for, so that you won't have any problems getting your $100. Remember to reach out to your referral drivers to ensure they include your invite code when logging into the app. You want to make sure you do this so you get your money and you don't have no hiccups. And remember, complete at least 5 trips before being eligible for complete at least 5 trips before being eligible to refer other drivers. So if you're a brand new Walmart Spark driver, I need you to make sure that you got 5 trips completed before you start referring people. That way you can qualify yourself and get your money. You may only refer drivers in eligible zones within the indicated period. So only refer drivers in the eligible priority zones. Don't waste your time. Confirmation of your incentive payment will be appearing in your earnings within 24 hours. So once you get that referral driver signed up, once they complete their 5 trips, and once everything is verified, they say it's gonna take about 24 hours, and then you should see that payment in your earnings tab. And I think that's just awesome that Walmart is able to offer all these different incentives, even basically offering you employee referral bonus, which is pretty awesome. That lets you know that they got money and they willing to let it go so they can get these deliveries out. This is Dashing Trader checking in, giving you the latest news with Walmart Spark. I'll catch you in the next one.